Fall would not be complete without an apple cocktail. Today we are making a fall apple sangria. I'm Nikki and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. To get started on our apple sangria, I've cubed up 1 apple into this pitcher. You know, for entertaining, we always need to make sure that we make our cocktails pitcher size ahead of time so that way you're ready when your guests come over. I've actually taken a pear, cut that up right into our pitcher, and I'm gonna use an entire bottle of white wine. I have a Greek dry wine. You can use a sauvignon blanc or a pinot grigio, whatever you have. So you just wanna make sure it's dry, not too sweet. So we're gonna use a full bottle of the sangria. Of the wine and the sangria. There we go. Perfect. Look how easy this is. Now, around the different seasons, especially fall, where we live in New England, a lot of the liquor stores will start carrying some flavored and really delicious vodkas, whiskeys, all different flavors. So today I'm gonna use this caramel vodka. I'm gonna put, for this pitcher, I'm gonna do a half a cup. Half a cup of caramel vodka. Can't wait for you to taste this flavor, it's so yummy. All alcohol in this one. So half a cup, and then we're gonna do an apple whiskey. So this is just Crown Apple. Again, easy to purchase. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of this. We don't want it too strong. Pour that in there. Oh wow, that has a distinct apple cinnamon flavor, or smell I should say, and it smells so good. I'm gonna put that over here. And then of course we need apple cider. So we're gonna do 2 cups of apple cider into this. Look at that, perfect. And I would make this ahead of time, just give this a nice little swirl here. Keep this in the fridge before your guests come, and just put on the side a nice bowl of ice. I have a glass here with some ice, so we can pour that on top. I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna put some apples just on top of this. Look at that drink. This looks amazing. So easy, flavorful, exactly what you need in fall. So good, exactly what you need in fall. Right near a fire, it's gonna be so delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.